Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Iscraftslane. We are going to make fridge magnets using acrylic cutout and instant transfer sheets. Though this is very simple technique, but it requires detailing like scissor, cutout, transfer paper, water, brushes, magnets and varnish and perfection. So let's start. First of all, we'll cut this using scissor. And we'll dip into the water. So we have soaked this for a minute. Now we will take it out and paste it into the acrylic cutout like this, and we will use sponge to remove the paper like this. After 2 minutes, we will apply 2 coats of varnish like this. We will use the brush. Use many elements to create this kind of stuff, like this beautiful cup. Now we'll decorate with lace. We can decorate this fridge magnet with flower and rope. Now we will paste fridge magnet using Fevibond. Now fridge magnet is ready. If you like my product, then please subscribe my channel.